Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see installation guide of Process OPC UA Modbus server. Okay, so here I have downloaded the OPC UA Modbus server from Process website, and if you want to download this software, then you can download from our Telegram channel. And if you want the software for Linux or Mac, then also the setup file is available on our Telegram channel. Okay, so we will double click on this software to start the installation. So welcome to the Process OPC UA Modbus server setup wizard. Okay, so to start the installation, we have to press next. After that, we have to accept the license agreement. So we have to tick this radio button, I accept the agreement, and then we have to press next. And this is the destination folder in which your Process OPC UA Modbus server is going to install. And if you want to change the location, then you can change by clicking on browse. Otherwise, if you want to leave it as it is, then just press next. And if you want a desktop shortcut, then tick this box and then press next. So the setup will start installing Process OPC UA Modbus server into your system. So our installation is done. Now we will click on finish to exit the setup. Okay, so this is how you can install Process OPC UA Modbus server. Now this software is useful when you have to convert your Modbus data to OPC UA data. Okay, so if your system or your any application doesn't support direct reading of Modbus data, then you can convert that Modbus data into OPC UA protocol, and then you can read your Modbus data into OPC UA. Okay, so that is why this software is useful. So now, as you can see on my desktop, the software is installed successfully, and now we will open this software. So as you can see, our software is open and the server status is starting. It means our OPC UA server status is starting. Okay, now my OPC UA server status is running. Okay, and our server will shut down in 120 minutes. So this is a licensed software. You have to purchase license from Process, and if you don't have a license, then this software will run for 2 hours. After that, the service will stop and you have to restart this software. Okay, now as you can see, Modbus devices, here you can add your Modbus devices so that the holding register data, input register data, all will convert into your OPC UA tag. Okay, so how to do that we will see in the future videos. Okay, so now we will minimize it and we will meet you in the next video with how to use this Process OPC UA Modbus server. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.